I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Crash Bandicoot in Ultrakill. This fantastic mod transforms your gameplay, letting you spin and jump through levels as the iconic marsupial. We'll focus on an easy, step-by-step method to get you started without any hassle. Begin by locating and downloading the necessary mod files, ensuring they come from a reputable community source to guarantee a smooth installation process. Once you have your mod files, the next step is installation. Make sure you have BEP X, a crucial modding framework, already set up for Ultrakill. Then, simply drag and drop your new Crash Bandicoot mod files into the BEP X plugins folder within your Ultrakill game directory. After placing the files, launch Ultrakill. The mod should seamlessly integrate, allowing you to enjoy the new character without further configuration. With the mod installed, you're ready to jump into action as Crash. When you begin a new level or mission, you'll find Crash Bandicoot has taken the place of the standard protagonist. His iconic spin attack replaces the usual melee, offering a fresh way to dispatch foes. While Crash brings his unique movement and attack, you'll still wield Ultrakill's powerful weapons, combining classic platforming with intense first-person shooting. To truly master Crash in Ultrakill, practice his spin attack. It's excellent for crowd control and deflecting projectiles. Don't hesitate to experiment with Ultrakill's vast weapon array, finding combinations that complement Crash's unique movement. This mod offers a fantastic blend of two distinct gaming worlds, providing hours of nostalgic fun and fresh challenges. Dive in, explore, and enjoy this wonderfully creative crossover experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.